Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully you will find and feel fresh. In today's lecture I'm going to show you how can you use this spinal bend. Okay, so this is where actually use or you want to bend a solid object along a certain path. So let me show right now. Before using the spinal bend we need a solid object. For that I will create a solid object. Right now I'm choosing an okay, and just keep the length is 700 right now. Okay, and just click OK. Right, and this time I will choose the right plane, sketch on it and make it normal. And this time what I'm going to create the references and just close it for now. I will choose the coordinate system for it, and what I'm going to do just to draw a line. And make sure whenever you're using the spinal bend, so you have to create the fillet. Okay, this time I'm giving it 112 and just okay. Right, so I've created the path. For that I want to bend this solid object and just come to spinal bend. Once I click the spinal bend, so look at the line that becomes darkened, so it means it does work. But look at the arrow. So once the direction of this arrow in this direction, so it's mean this portion will get upward, and once I flip direction, so it means this portion will get upward. So right now I'm keeping it as to A's and just select item, and right now I will select the surface. So hopefully it does work really fantastic. Okay, and lock length. Okay, right now, and okay, you can control it from here as well, right? But once you lock the length, so then you cannot increase, and just click OK. Right, so hopefully you like this video, but if you understand this video, so please, for more brief and really fantastic videos, please press the notification bell icon.